Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be giving out tips on how to get premium themes for your jobs. If you are a web designer and you don't know how to get premium themes for free, or you don't have any experience on web designing and you have interest in becoming a professional web designer, and you need premium themes and also you don't have money to buy them, this video is for you. This video it's going to show you websites that you can download premium themes and then use them for your jobs. Okay, this video is going to teach you how to download those themes while you use them for your job. Remember that this channel is for you to learn and earn. So if you've not subscribed on this channel, please kindly subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you will get notified whenever I'm dropping awesome videos like this. So today, if we go to open new tab and go to ThemeForest, you get to see that any website that you search for already has a theme on it. So in this area, what you are doing, what's your purpose, your job here is just to source for a theme that is going to be compatible with your WordPress without them asking for license key or asking you for you to go and register with Enveto Markets so you can obtain a license key. So over here, these themes, most of them might work, most of them might not work. So it's like a 50-50 chance for you to get a very good one. But you keep trying, you keep checking, you keep trying out until you stumbled in on something that's going to work perfectly fine for you. Actually, I've tried a lot of themes, and what I do right now is for me, what I do is just make out time to try themes to see how effective they are, see how if they're going to work perfectly for me. So once I get to see a theme that is working really good, and I have to store that theme and then move on to the next theme. So I've seen a lot of themes that works pretty good. One of them is this Baron Construction and Engineering WordPress theme. This theme, it's powerful. It works very well for me. And you see the price here. I actually don't have the money to buy this theme. It costs so much here in my country. I don't have this amount to buy it. But the good news is that I can get it for free and it's serving me very well. So other theme again you can get for free if you're searching that I've tried. It's Woodmat. It's a Woodmat theme. This Woodmat theme here costs $59, and man, this theme it's fire. This theme it's fire. It's really doing good on the e-commerce sector. So if you are building an e-commerce website, I recommend you use this wonderful theme, Woodmat. I recommend you use this wonderful theme, Woodmat. So you see how much it costs us here. It costs us here to purchase this theme. So I'm going to show you guys the website whereby you can get this theme for free. So the first website we're going to check out is called wplocker.com. So over here now, so for you to get this theme, you will have to come here and copy the theme name, go over WP Locker, click on the search icon and search for the theme. So you you get this this information, like unfortunately the site search yield no result. The reason is because we copied the whole information. So if I clean this area and click on enter, just Woodmat, you will find out that the theme that we're looking for is going to pop up. So if you check here, they have been updating these Woodmarks from the very beginning to the current update, to the current version. This is the current version. This is the current update here. This is the current upload here on this website. So you can see that Woodmat version 8.2.3 responsive WooCommerce WordPress theme. So we click on this area, click on this, you get to see that they will show you a demo. So if you click on this demo, right click, click on it. This demo actually takes you to ThemeForest, where you will see the prices, you will see everything, and you will see how the website, the theme works. Okay, so over here now, for us to download this theme, what we need to do is to copy one of these URLs. All of them, you can download the theme from all this URL, but I prefer using this work upload. I prefer using this particular one in terms of downloading my themes. So I'm going to demonstrate how to download your themes and how to unzip them before you use your theme. So I'm going to click on download here. So we'll wait for the themes to download. While the theme is downloading, you can also try this website, themelock.com. This is a website you can try again to get the same theme you're looking for. They are basically doing the same thing. If you don't find anything you're looking for on this area, you can come to this site to get your theme. Looking at it alone self, you see that they are already dropping themes, the current updates for them, recent added files. So you see they are dropping themes, dropping themes. You can get a very good theme here, but all you need to do is just for you to be patient and source for a good theme that is working perfectly, because most of the themes here might not work for you. Most of them might work, most of them might look like it's working, but in the process of you installing the theme, they will now request for a license that is supposed to come with the theme, and if you don't have the license, the theme will not work very well for you. So over here we've downloaded our theme, so we're going to open our download. So this is our download area. What we're going to do here is to move this theme inside a folder. You need to create a folder for the theme. Once you create a folder for the theme, you move the theme inside a folder and you extract. Remember, you must extract the theme before you upload. You just don't upload like this. You have to extract the theme before you upload. So this is a folder for the theme that you extracted. You click on the folder. So over here now, you're going to see this. You're going to see a documentation that shows you how to install the theme. You're going to see the licensing, which this doesn't help. You're going to see the plugins. Most things come with their own plugin. This is the plugin for this theme. And you're going to see the theme itself. This is the theme. So this is what you upload on your WordPress account. This is what you upload on your WordPress account. I already have a video where I uploaded this theme on my WordPress. So I'm going to add the link on the description so you know what I'm talking about and how to upload it. So they have a lot of free areas that you can get. You can get themes, a lot, but this too is my best place of getting WordPress theme and CMS theme, also HTML template. This is where you can get them. If you are also into Shopify and this e-commerce area, you can get their themes here too. Absolutely free. You don't have to pay a dime. It might be so much. They might be charging so much on TeamForest, but if you come here, you're going to get. If you come here, you're going to get them for free. So if you are a web designer and you don't know where to get a premium theme, this video is actually going to help you out. But bear it in mind that you don't have 100% team. You have 50-50 chance to have a team that is going to work very, very well for you. So what you're going to do is you keep trying and you keep testing the teams to see if you will have a good compatible team for your job. So this is where I'm going to end my video, and if this video is helpful for you, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Peace and love. Have a wonderful day, guys.